At CMO, our mission is to restore the beauty of your home, to help you build equity in it, and to help you get your peace of mind back. So we take a lot of pride in our work and what we offer to you, but we don't want you to just take our word for it. Let's see what your neighbors are saying. If you're in need of an inspection, repair, or installation, we're here to serve you. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, we're open to that too. Give us a call at 317-500-1250. Email us at office@cmoutfitters.com. Check us out on the web at cmoutfitters.com, or you can check us out on social media everywhere.